Wow, how do people do stuff? How can they do cool art like this? Like pixel art or something. Sometimes I wish I was pixelated. What the heck? What the heck has happened to me? I have squares all over my body! Ah! Wait a minute. Wish counselor?
Yep.
What are you doing here? How come I have sharp squares all over my body?
Well, you wish to be pixelated, and well, dear, you're sure pixelated now.
Okay, enough with the wishes. I don't expect them. I mean, it's cool being pixelated, but I have to expect it coming. But
Listen. I'm surprised you haven't learned that they come true because of me. Because, well, you know, the last time.
I know, but I thought it was just only once in a lifetime. I'm gonna go barf again.
Don't! Oh my!
Okay. Why? Why does that? Ah!
Really?
Why does wishes have to come true? Let this be over. I want this to be over. Wait, why is that thing recording?
Listen. Hey, what's that?